All right, let's check how we can find the correct working end. So we're going to start with using the Explorer, which is the 1112, EXD 1112. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my instrument and I'm going to put it in between any teeth in the posterior. And so I'm going to fulcrum, put it in between the teeth. And what I want you guys to do is look at the bend, the first bend. And when you look at this bend, which we're going to call the V, okay, because it's in the shape of a V, the V should be towards the D, which is D for distal. Right now, the V is towards the mesial. The bend is towards the mesial. Not good. Let's flip the instrument. Okay, so now I've flipped the instrument. I'm going to fulcrum, put it in between teeth, any posterior teeth, and now watch what happens. Where is the V? The V is towards the distal, which is V to the D, which is what we want. Let's look at another instrument. Here we have the posterior sickle, the S204S. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to fulcrum, put it in between any posterior teeth, and we're going to look at the V. The V, or the bend, is pointing towards the mesial. Not good. Let's flip it. Well, when I flip it, fulcrum, put it in between any teeth. Where is the V? The V is to the D. The V is towards the distal. That's the correct working end. What do we have here? We have the, let's do 1112 actually. So we have the 1112, okay? So this is our 1112. I'm going to do the same thing. This is 1112 Gracie, right? We're going to use that for the mesials. So fulcrum, put the instrument between any teeth, posterior teeth, and where's the V? The V is not to the D. We want the V to the D. We want the V to facing the distal. Fulcrum, so I flipped it over. Put the instrument in between the teeth. Now where is it? Now the V is towards the D. So this is the correct working end. We can do the same thing for 13, 14. So Gracie 13, 14. Let's do this on the man just so we can compare. So the same rule applies. Fulcrum, put it in between any posterior teeth. Where's the V? The V is facing mesial. Not good. Let's flip it. So I flipped it. Fulcrum, put it in between the teeth. Where's the V? The V, the bend, is towards the D, the distal. This is the correct working end. And last but not least, let's do a curette. So this is the 4R4L. Again, I'm going to do the same thing. Fulcrum, put it in between any teeth. Where's the V? The V is facing the mesial. Not good. Let's flip it. Fulcrum, put it in between any posterior teeth. Where's the V? The V is towards the D. So this is the correct working end.